How are you today?
I feel very fascinated because I want to give speech in front of you, and so good so far.
Are you married?
No, sir, I didn't get married.
You didn't. So what's your future plan?
My future plan is I want to be a big businessman. I would like to build a charity fund for helping.
Great.
I spend my free time. I like to sleep, and sometimes I like to go outside and with friends. I like to explore new places with my friends by bike. Bike is my emotion. Sometimes I gathered and sometimes I hang out with friends, and I like to take tea evening time with friends and in my free time. I like so.
Okay, so what does your father do?
My father is a farmer and he's a very honest and kind person. Everyone respect him a lot, and my father always influenced me and always motivated me to be honest.
How do you spend your time actually?
I spend my free time. Right now, I live in Rahat English Care at Mirpur 1 for enhance my speaking level. In my free time, I would like to spend my time reading because I need more reading, and sometimes I would like to practice with my friends, and sometimes I would like to talk another country people. It gives me a good knowledge, and it makes my speaking level.
Do you use Facebook?
Yes, I use Facebook because Facebook is very famous platform.
Could you tell me something about your mom?
My mother is a housewife, a homemaker. She takes care of us with love, and she makes good foods, delicious food. My mother is my very friendly. I share with my mother everything. Whenever I feel very frustrated, that time I make my call, make my mother call, and after calling, I feel very fascinated and I feel stress free. My mother is my emotion.
So after coming to Rahas English here, and how do you feel?
After coming Rahat English Care, I feel very fascinated. Before come here, I didn't make understand. I didn't make any sentences. Right now, I can make correct sentences with correct grammatical sentence, and I whenever I used to talk with someone, that time I feel very shy. Right now, I can confidently talk with other people, and I can and speak in English with friends, with my teacher, and with another country people.
And you know, I work all the time for the all batches and behind you.
Yes, sir, you are very hardworking person. Sometimes I don't have enough idea about you, but after came here, you are my idol right now because you are very hardworking person. I want to be in future like you because you are very hardworking person and very sacrificable person.
Why are you learning actually English?
Sir, actually, I learn English because English is my hobby. Whenever I speak English, that time I feel very enchanted and very fascinated because uh, whenever I talk with another country people like uh, native speaker, their speaking level high. That's why I feel very fascinated because English is my hobby. Speaking English is my hobby, and I like to talk with another country people, and I like to talk Bangladeshi country people. English is speaking English is an international language, we know that, and we will easily communicate. We can easily communicate with another country.
Do you love traveling?
Yes, sir. I love mass traveling because it's make me very happy. In my free time, I would like to go new places. I would like to explore new historical place, new places with my friends. Sometimes I go with my friends because I feel very free whenever I go with my friends, and I like to meet new people because I learn whenever I go travel new places. I learn many things from them, and I like to take new dishes, food, and new. I learn many festival from another country people, another district people. That's why I travel. I like to travel much, sir.